Welcome back to Sherwood Urban Farm, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I plant garlic. This is the first time I've ever done it. I've done a lot of research now on how to do this, and hopefully I'm going to have a load of garlic in a couple of months. Apparently it takes quite a long time. So in South Africa we will start sowing garlic from February to May, so it's about mid-February now, and I'm hoping it's not too warm, because I was reading in the Farmers Weekly that they were saying that it's best to their best growing temperature is between 13 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. So we've been having quite a lot of hot weather, no rain to even write home about. It's a bit depressing, but it's this time of the year for us, so it's just what it is. Okay, so what I've done is I have just bought what is this? It's not a single clove. Clumps? 2 clumps. I bought 2 clumps of garlic from a farmer's market, and I'm going to use these. I'm not sure if this is a hard neck or soft neck. It certainly isn't the elephant garlic, so at least we know that. But I don't know what it is. So I'm just gonna stick it in the ground like everybody says you should, and then we'll see how we go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is break it open, the clump of garlic, and separate each clove. Now each clove is going to form its own plant and make its own clump, a bulb. I suppose it's a bulb, not clump. Anyway, this one even seems like it's starting to shoot out a leaf. So there we go, we'll break them all apart. So garlic plants like a lot of sun. So I have to really consider where I'm going to put them in the vegetable garden, because the sun is going to change over winter, and they are a really long growing crop. So I thought the best place for me to put them, which in a bed which I know is going to get sun the whole winter through, is going to be in this bed where I currently have my potatoes. I also intercropped with a late sowing of zucchini, but I don't have much hope for them. They're looking quite tiddly at the moment. They need to be sown 8 to 10 centimeters apart. So I'm going to do 2 rows down here. These potatoes will be coming out soon, so there will be space for them, and then maybe I can even intercrop them with something else on either side, maybe some lettuce or something. So I'm going to use my little homemade dibber, and I'm just going to move some of the mulch out the way here like that, and then I'm going to stick now they say 5 centimeters down. Let me see. Yep, that looks about 5 centimeters. So you take this flat part goes downwards, and the spiky part goes upwards, because that's where the leaves are going to come out. And then close it up. And they say you just leave it, and it's one of the easiest crops to grow. So I'm hoping that that's true. I'm sure it is. I've never tried it, and I'm excited to give this a go. In about 8 months' time, I'll do another video, and then we can have a look-see how this garlic turned out. I am really hopeful. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something, and let me know how it goes with your garlic crops. And if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.